I think right now is a great time to introduce my anti-inflammatory soup, or otherwise known as Get Well soup. This is full of nutrition and it definitely doesn't lack flavor. Make you a big old pot of this and share it with others that aren't feeling so well. Leave it on their front porch.
Marinate 3 to 4 chicken breasts in lime juice. These veggies need to cook a little bit longer. Jalapeno, zucchini, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, celery, green onions, and green beans. Then it's cilantro, cabbage, and spinach. I'm using my phone's camera today, so excuse the quality. 4 chicken bouillon, parsley, a lot of garlic powder, and some turmeric, also black pepper. Boil your chicken breasts until done and set aside.